Welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk through the chart of accounts. This is the backbone of your entire accounting system in IXL core. What is the chart of accounts? The chart of accounts is a full list of all your accounts used to track your financial activity, everything from sales, purchases, expenses, assets and liabilities, all those posts into one of these accounts. Going to our chart of accounts, if you can see chart of accounts, our chart of accounts are organized into asset, liabilities, equity, income, and expense, and each category plays a different role in our P&L and our balance sheet. Our chart accounts, when you open section, will see all the accounts that are here on the chart of accounts. We'll see one, the name of account, if there's a parent account, the type of account, detail type, the primary balance, if there's any, and the bank balance, whether it's active or it is not active, or the options for us to activate the account. To create a new account, there are various ways of doing that. You can click one, we can click add an account, and an account receivable or account within this status of account. So it's an asset, it's a fixed asset account, and you can classify that as a fixed asset account. The detail type of the account, is it a building, accumulated depreciation, property, plant and equipment? Is it a leasehold? What kind of fixed assets? Or is it depletable assets, furniture, land, leasehold, improvement, machine and equipment, or other fixed assets? We're able to set it up as that and say we want to put in a vehicle. So once we put that, for purposes of business, for purposes of that, we can create and say we have a motor vehicle with plate. Say the plate is CD65PD. Then we want to capture a new motor vehicle. If we have the account number, we have activated. Remember, under settings, if you've not seen how to update the accounting number, please see under settings. And then if there's any parent account we want this to fall under, we're able to choose that. If we have opening balances and you're bringing in balances, we can create that. But if there's nothing, then we can create and say, probably this is the CEO official motor vehicle. Once we've done that, we save, and that will generate for us an account inside the chart of accounts. So we are able to have an account created, and we can look for the account. We can look for the fixed assets that we've created. As an asset, there's CD65PDZN, which we created just now. So that is one area of doing or getting the account. Once you've selected the account, we can edit the account just in case of any change that we want to make. The system allows us to do an edit of the chart of accounts. Once we've edited the chart of accounts, we can go back and save that. If we want to deactivate the account, say the account is no longer in use and we want to deactivate, so let's look at the account we created. Remember, we can edit that. We can also delete the account, or we can make the account inactive just by switching the button and make it inactive and it won't appear, or we can still continue maintaining it or delete that GL that we've created. If you have your own GLs and you are proceeding to IXL core, you can import all accounts. You can import accounts. The system allows you to import, and you can download a sample file which you'll use to put all your GLs and then upload and import, and the system will import that for you. So you always have to keep your chart of accounts clear and concise. You have to ensure you group all expenses together that are similar. You avoid duplicate accounts, to review accounts regularly to ensure correct mapping. Once you've done with all the account settings and mapping, you've imported your accounting, then the final thing would have to be is to ensure that you save all your chart of accounts and ensure that they are correct. Once all your chart of accounts are correct, we can proceed to map all the accounts. Please watch the video on mapping, on how we can map our chart of accounts to ensure for automatic postings. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.